why they lost interest, and how to fix it. They didn't suddenly lose interest, you just didn't notice the patterns that slowly pushed them away. And if you watch this till the end, you'll understand exactly what went wrong and how to fix it. At the beginning, everything feels perfect constant texting, calls, attention. Then slowly, things change. They reply late, they seem distant, and you're left wondering, what did I do wrong? One of the biggest mistakes is over availability. You're always there, instant replies, always saying yes, always adjusting. Now, caring isn't the problem, but losing your sense of balance is. Psychology is simple. People tend to value what isn't always instantly available. The second mistake, your life starts revolving around them. You stop focusing on your goals, your hobbies, your friends, and slowly you lose the version of yourself they were initially attracted to. Attraction isn't built on love alone, it's built on individuality. The third mistake is emotional dependency. Your mood, your happiness, your peace all depend on them. And when someone feels that pressure, they naturally start pulling away. So, what's the solution? Start with this rebuild your own life, your goals, your routine. Stop being instantly available all the time. Make yourself a priority again because attraction doesn't grow through chasing, it grows through balance. If they come back, great. If they don't, you've already become a stronger version of yourself. And that's the real win. Subscribe if you want honest relationship advice that actually works.